Every great organization has a story to tell, and it starts with a sign. From the first conversation to the final installation, our experienced sales team, designers, and craftsmen work together to create custom signage that brings your brand to life. For more than 35 years, Paris Signs has been helping businesses throughout the tri-state stand out. Because your sign isn't just a product, it's a first impression your customers see every day. Whether it's illuminated channel letters, monument signs, vehicle graphics, digital displays, or complete branding solutions, every project is built with quality, precision, and pride. Local people, local craftsmanship, trusted experience for over 35 years.